for granted being comfortable in the summer and winter? Do we even think about how we can be so warm when it's frigid outside, or so cool when it's cooking hot outside? Do you know what makes that possible? So, all of that has been helpful up to a point, no doubt. But scientists today know that these fossil fuels need to be replaced now. So, folks, what can be done? Well, don't worry, folks, because we're in luck. Do you know what this is? This is a heat pump, and let me tell you why you should be interested. You can potentially lower your costs, especially for air conditioning. And second, it will keep you warm in the winter and it will keep you cool in the summer. How do heat pumps do that? By using electricity that is mostly powered by renewable energy like the sun and the wind. And most importantly, it will keep the CO2 or carbon from making problems on our planet. Hello, my name is Cam and I am the creator of this video. And I hope you like it because I want to share everything I know about heat pumps with you guys. And yeah, I've been learning about heat pumps for a while now, and it's pretty fun to learn about how it can help us and yeah, it can help us with our future. And with more people getting them, it can definitely impact us. With a long time down the road, we're going to be saying thank you for um, listening and getting this heat pump. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.